What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that might surprise you, the world of affordable SUVs that are actually incredible value propositions, but for some reason nobody's talking about them. Today I'm breaking down 6 SUVs that represent some of the best bang for your buck in the current market. These aren't your typical buy this recommendations. These are the underdogs, the overlooked, the vehicles that car enthusiasts and smart shoppers have been quietly scooping up while everyone else fights over the mainstream options. So buckle up, because we're about to explore some serious value in the SUV market that you probably haven't considered. 1. Mitsubishi Outlander. Let's kick things off with the Mitsubishi Outlander, and I can already hear some of you groaning. Really? Yes, really. And here's why you should pay attention. The current generation Outlander starts at around $27,000, which immediately puts it thousands below competitors like the Honda Pilot or Toyota Highlander. But here's what's wild. You're getting a 3-row SUV with seating for 7, and Mitsubishi backs it with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's not a typo. 10 years. The Outlander comes standard with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 181 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission. The acceleration isn't going to win any drag races, but it's perfectly adequate for daily driving and highway merging. Where the Outlander really shines is in its interior space and features. The cabin is surprisingly roomy. Even the third row is usable for actual humans, not just car seats. Safety-wise, you're getting Mitsubishi's suite of driver assistance features as standard equipment, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The fuel economy is respectable at around 24 city and 30 highway mpg, which is competitive in the 3-row SUV segment. So why doesn't anyone buy the Outlander? Brand perception, plain and simple. Mitsubishi doesn't have the marketing budget of Toyota or Honda, and they've been plagued by their reputation from the early 2000s. But the reality is, they've quietly become one of the best value propositions in the SUV market. If you need 3 rows, want a solid warranty, and don't care about having the same SUV as everyone else, the Outlander deserves serious consideration. 2. And Nissan Pathfinder. Next up, we have the Nissan Pathfinder, another SUV that's been flying under the radar despite being genuinely excellent. Starting at around $35,000, the Pathfinder positions itself as a premium 3-row SUV without the premium price tag. The first thing you notice about the Pathfinder is how it looks. This is a genuinely attractive SUV with sophisticated styling that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury brand lineup. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 284 horsepower, which is substantially more power than you get in most competitors. The 9-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, a significant improvement over Nissan's previous CVT approach. The interior is where the Pathfinder really surprises people. The materials are high quality with soft-touch surfaces throughout and genuine attention to detail. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, with available leather that rivals what you'd find in much more expensive vehicles. The second row is spacious and can accommodate adults comfortably. Technology-wise, the Pathfinder comes well-equipped with a large infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a comprehensive suite of safety features. The available Bose audio system is particularly impressive, delivering rich, clear sound throughout the cabin. One of the Pathfinder's standout features is its intelligent all-wheel drive system, which can automatically distribute power between the front and rear wheels based on driving conditions. This provides confident handling in various weather conditions and light off-road situations. So why isn't the Pathfinder more popular? Nissan's brand reputation took a hit during recent years, and many consumers associate the brand with reliability concerns from previous generations. However, the current Pathfinder represents a significant step forward in build quality and engineering, offering a compelling combination of style, performance, space, and features at a price point that undercuts most premium 3-row SUVs by $10,000 or more.
Mazda CX9. Now let's talk about something special, the Mazda CX9. This is a vehicle that consistently gets rave reviews from automotive journalists, but somehow remains invisible to most SUV shoppers. Starting at around $36,000, the CX9 represents everything Mazda does well: sophisticated design, engaging driving dynamics, and premium materials at a reasonable price. The CX9 is powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 227 horsepower on regular fuel or 250 horsepower on premium. This might sound modest compared to the Pathfinder's V6, but the turbo engine delivers excellent low-end torque, making the CX9 feel surprisingly quick in real-world driving situations. What sets the CX9 apart is how it drives. While most 3-row SUVs feel like appliances, the CX9 actually feels engaging and fun to drive. The steering is precise and well-weighted, the suspension strikes an excellent balance between comfort and control, and the overall driving experience is more akin to a luxury vehicle than a family hauler. The interior is where Mazda's attention to detail really shines. The materials are genuinely impressive. Soft leather, real wood trim and metal accents throughout create an atmosphere that feels far more expensive than the price suggests. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with excellent adjustment range. Technology integration is thoughtful rather than overwhelming. The infotainment system is controlled via a rotary dial rather than a touchscreen, which actually works better while driving. The system is intuitive and responsive, with excellent graphics and smartphone integration. Fuel economy is excellent considering the size and power. The CX9 achieves around 22 city and 28 highway mpg. Safety ratings are outstanding, with the CX9 earning top scores from both NHTSA and IHS. So why isn't everyone driving a CX9? Part of it is Mazda's smaller dealer network compared to Toyota or Honda. Part of it is that many consumers prioritize cargo space over driving dynamics. But if you value driving experience, interior quality, and standing out from the crowd, the CX9 is absolutely worth considering. Let's shift gears and talk about the Ford Bronco Sport, not to be confused with the full-size Bronco. This compact SUV has been somewhat overshadowed by its bigger brother, but it represents excellent value in the competitive compact SUV segment. Starting at around $28,000, the Bronco Sport offers something that most compact SUVs don't: genuine off-road capability. While vehicles like the RAV4 and CR-V are designed primarily for pavement, the Bronco Sport is built to handle real adventures. The base engine is a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder producing 181 horsepower, which might sound unusual but actually works well in practice. The turbo provides good low-end torque, and the engine is surprisingly smooth and refined. There's also an available 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder, with 245 horsepower for those who want more performance. What makes the Bronco Sport special is its off-road hardware. Even the base model comes with intelligent all-wheel drive, skid plates, and increased ground clearance. The available Badlands trim adds features like rock crawl mode, trail turn assist, and specialized off-road tires. The interior is rugged but comfortable, with water-resistant materials and practical design touches like rubber floor mats and easy-to-clean surfaces. The infotainment system is Ford's latest Sync 4 setup, which is intuitive and responsive with good smartphone integration. One of the Bronco Sport's most appealing features is its personality. This isn't just another anonymous crossover, it has character and presence. The boxy styling is distinctive and purposeful, clearly communicating its off-road intentions. Fuel economy is competitive at around 21 city and 26 highway mpg with the base engine, and the available all-wheel drive system can automatically disconnect the rear wheels when not needed to maximize efficiency. So why isn't the Bronco Sport more popular? Many compact SUV buyers prioritize fuel economy and on-road comfort over off-road capability, which means they gravitate toward more conventional options. But if you want a compact SUV that can handle weekend adventures, has distinctive styling, and offers good value, the Bronco Sport deserves serious consideration.
With Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass is probably the most controversial entry on this list, and I can already hear the comment section firing up. Yes, the Compass has had reliability issues in the past. Yes, Jeep's reputation for dependability isn't stellar. But hear me out. The current generation Compass, especially in higher trim levels, represents legitimate value that's worth considering. Starting at around $24,000, the Compass is one of the most affordable ways to get into a genuine Jeep with real off-road capability. The base model comes with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 180 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 9-speed automatic. Where the Compass shines is in its trail-rated capability. Even the base model offers more ground clearance and approach/departure angles than most competitors, and the available all-wheel drive system includes multiple terrain modes for different driving conditions. The interior has been significantly improved in recent years, with better materials and improved build quality. The higher trim levels offer features like leather seating, a premium audio system, and advanced safety features. The infotainment system is Jeep's latest Uconnect setup, which is generally regarded as one of the better systems in the industry. One thing that sets the Compass apart is its styling. It actually looks like a Jeep, with distinctive design cues that clearly communicate its heritage and capability. In a world of increasingly similar-looking crossovers, the Compass has genuine character and presence. The Compass also offers practical features like a spacious cargo area, comfortable seating for 4 adults, and available features like a power liftgate and remote start. Fuel economy is competitive at around 23 city and 32 highway mpg with front-wheel drive. Now let's address the elephant in the room: reliability. Yes, Jeep has had issues with long-term dependability, and the Compass specifically has received criticism for transmission problems. However, Stellantis has made significant investments in quality control, and recent model years have shown improvement. The reality is that if you prioritize off-road capability, distinctive styling, and getting the most features for your money, the Compass offers legitimate value. It's not perfect, but it fills a specific niche in the market that few other vehicles address at this price point. 6. Subaru Forester. Our final entry might surprise you: the Subaru Forester. Wait, you're probably thinking, isn't the Forester popular? Well, yes and no. While Subaru has a loyal following, the Forester often gets overlooked in favor of more mainstream options like the RAV4 or CR-V, despite offering significant advantages. Starting at around $26,000, the Forester offers standard all-wheel drive, something that's optional on most competitors. This isn't just a marketing gimmick. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system is genuinely superior to most competitors, providing better traction and handling in various weather conditions. The Forester is powered by a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated boxer engine, producing 182 horsepower. While this might sound modest, the engine provides smooth, linear power delivery and excellent reliability. Subaru engines are known for their longevity, often running well beyond 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. One of the Forester's strongest points is its practicality. The boxy styling might not win beauty contests, but it maximizes interior space and cargo capacity. The rear seat is genuinely spacious, and the cargo area is large and well designed. The high seating position and large windows provide excellent visibility in all directions. Safety is another Forester strength. The vehicle comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. The Forester consistently earns top safety ratings from both NHTSA and IHS. The interior is functional and well built, though not particularly luxurious. Materials are durable and practical, and the controls are intuitive and easy to use. Fuel economy is excellent at around 26 city and 33 highway mpg, which is among the best in the compact SUV segment, especially considering the standard all-wheel drive. The Forester also offers impressive ground clearance and approach angles, making it more capable than most crossovers in light off-road situations. It's not a rock crawler, but it can handle gravel roads, snow, and moderate trail conditions with confidence. So why isn't the Forester more popular? Part of it is styling. The Forester prioritizes function over form. Part of it is marketing. Subaru doesn't have the advertising budget of Toyota or Honda. But if you value reliability, standard all-wheel drive, excellent safety ratings, and practical design, the Forester is hard to beat. What do you think? Have you driven any of these SUVs? Are there other underrated vehicles you think deserve more attention? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you discover something new about the SUV market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. In the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you discover something new about the SUV market.